You know the drill, it's Powder Coating Live. This time with more guests and greater prizes than ever before. Happening this Wednesday, June 19th at 5 p.m. Eastern, featuring a new lineup of coaters never seen before, like Paul from AVP, John from Precision, Chris from Retro, Luis from LS, Tyler from Georgian, Shane from Fabcoat, and Rich from Rags to Riches. Be prepared for deep dive topics and a mystery guest or two. Don't forget these giveaways from these supportive companies. Shot Tools by Scott Coates, Store Credits from Columbia, Nanner Peel 5 gallons, Store Credit and Swag from Prismatic, 3 powder mini packs from Tiger. Join us as we engage with you in the custom coder community. Register at the link below. See you there.